Welcome to Training in Data channel. Today, let's talk about return to work. Stepping back into the data and AI world after months or even years away can feel overwhelming. Tech has sprinted ahead. Confidence may have dipped, and job listings demand skills you have ever heard of. Sounds familiar? Then keep watching. Training in Data Return to Work program is built exclusively for professionals like you, people who have the experience but need to refresh to relaunch with confidence.
What's inside the program structured upskilling? Hands-on labs in data analytics, engineering, machine learning, and cloud, so you're job ready fast. Workshop snapshot. Sticky notes on imposter syndrome. Confidence coaching and career readiness workshops tackling imposter syndrome, CV refresh, and interview prep. TraininginData.com. Real-world projects to prove your skills on live data problems.
Mentorship and community. Connect with returners and industry mentors who get your journey. Employer logo wall and direct employer connections to inclusive companies actively hiring diverse, skilled talent. Who it's for seasoned data or tech professionals needing a skills reboot. Parents or caregivers ready to re-enter after 6 months to several years off. Career switchers with transferable skills keen to pivot into analytics. Apply now. Subscribe for more career tips.